Hi everyone, welcome to another C++ tutorial, and today's topic is going to be about pass-by value and pass-by reference and the differences between those two. So to start, I have here Visual Studio, opening this tutorial1.cpp. I have a main function with an int variable x, which has a value of 1. I'm printing it out at the bottom. I also have a dummy function which takes in a int parameter value and then it returns this value. So first let's look at pass-by value and what that exactly means. So let's do a function call of the dummy function. We pass in the x variable that we have created here, and what's happening through this function call is the value of x is passed on to the int, this parameter called value, and the return type of this dummy function is an integer. For example, let's say we want to change the value of x. What we can do in a pass-by value case is we could do value equals value plus 1. Let's say we want to increase the value of x by 1. In that case, what we do is we're increasing the value here and storing it inside value, and we're returning this value. Now I'm gonna be printing this and showing you how when we return this we need to actually set the value of x again, and I'm gonna be showing what happens if we don't set it. So we're printing out x here in line number 14, and we can see here the value of x is still 1. So we're not setting this return value, return from the dummy function, and we're not setting it back to x. This is what we call as a pass-by value. So when we're calling this dummy function, we're only passing in the value of x, and when we return this value, if we want x to be updated, we should set back this return to x itself. So if we want to change x, we do x equals dummy. Let me run this, and we should quickly see that the value of x equals 2 should be printed. So the value 2 is being printed out. Let's say we just want to pass by x itself, but not its value, and the function inside the dummy changes the value of x, so we don't need to return and set back x. The way we do that is, so the parameter int value, we need to change it to hold a reference value, and the way we do that is we put an and in front of value, and this will take in the reference of x itself and not only the value of x. So what do I mean by that? So we don't need a return case, so we could just do void, and the return type void, what it exactly means is the function does not return anything. So inside the dummy function, what we do is we're increasing value by 1, and notice we're not we just remove the return, and in this case let's print out x. we can see the value of 2 is being printed out, and this is what we mean by passing by reference. And we need to differentiate between pass by value and pass by reference. In this case, we're passing by the reference of x, and the way we denote to a variable that should be holding the reference is we denote it with an and symbol in front of the variable, which is the parameter in this case. And inside the function, when we're increasing the value of 1, we're actually increasing the value of x itself. And that's the case of the pass by reference. So hope this video helped in any way or form. And the next topics should be something along the lines of pointers, dynamic allocation, and so on. And thanks for watching.